Python add item to the tuple. I have some object.id_s which I try to store in the user session as tuple. When I add first one it works, the tuple looks like u'2, but when I try to add new one using mytuple equals mytuple plus new.id, but error can only concatenate tuple, not Unicode, to tuple.
You need to make the second element a one tuple, e.g.
Since Python 3.5, PEP 448, you can do unpacking within a tuple, list set, and dict.
From tuple to list to tuple, or with a longer list of items to append. Gives you The point here is, list is a mutable sequence type. So you can change a given list by adding or removing elements. Tuple is an immutable sequence type. You can't change a tuple. So you have to create a new one.
Tuple can only allow adding tuple to it. The best way to do it is, I tried the same scenario with the below data, it all seems to be working fine.
If you want to continue, prove consider to